Hey folks! Today, we're diving into the world of professional videography with the Panasonic AG-CX350 4K camcorder. This compact powerhouse is redefining the game, offering features you'd expect in a full-sized camcorder. Let's talk about that impressive 1-inch MOS sensor with 15MP resolution, delivering stunning UHD quality at 5170 by 2908. The 20x optical zoom lens, equivalent to 24.5 to 490mm, provides incredible flexibility, especially with 5-axis hybrid image stabilization in both 4K and HD. The V-Log recording function, V3 upgrade, enhances your creative possibilities, capturing the CX350's impressive 13 stops of dynamic range. Whether you're shooting in UHD 4K or 1080p, this camcorder delivers outstanding results. Connectivity is a breeze with USB, HDMI, 3G SDI, and LAN ports, offering versatility in your workflow. The 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen monitor, OLED viewfinder, and front-mounted mic with audio level control make operation intuitive and user-friendly. Now, let's talk about the Z-Tech camera bundle accessory, a treasure trove for videographers. From additional batteries, a variety of lenses, a tripod, to a professional microphone, this bundle has you covered. In terms of audio, the built-in stereo microphone and 2 XLR audio connectors, supporting 4 channels of audio recording, add to the CX350's versatility. And with the latest firmware update, it gets even better. Overall, the Panasonic AG-CX350 4K camcorder is a game-changer for content creators who demand professional features in a compact form factor. It's a fusion of communication and broadcasting that truly delivers. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and comparisons on this channel. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.